First, the HiDock P1. You're on a Zoom call, brilliance flowing, and your notes look like a toddler's scribbles. This little genius is the world's first AI voice recorder that syncs with your Bluetooth earphones, AirPods, Galaxy Buds, you name it. Thanks to its slick Blue Catch tech, hit one button and it's capturing every word through your earphones or its dual studio-grade ECM mics, which snag crystal clear audio even in a noisy room. It's packing 64 gigabytes of storage, enough for 1,000 hours of recordings, and an 8-hour battery that'll outlast your longest meeting marathon. The real magic? Lifetime free AI transcription and summaries via the HiNotes app, spitting out full text and key points in over 75 languages. No subscription needed. Pledge starts at $99 on Kickstarter, a steal for pros or students drowning in calls. Downside? It leans hard on the app. If HiDock's servers ever take a coffee break, you're stuck twiddling your thumbs. Still, it's a no-brainer for taming meeting chaos. Calls handled, now your walls need some love. Enter the BLOOMIN8 E-Ink Canvas. This bad boy's the world's first full-color e-ink frame, rocking Spectra 6 tech for rich, paper-like visuals with zero glare. Perfect for any light. Pick from 7.3 inches, 13.3 inches, or a hefty 28.5-inch size and change up the art via the BLOOMIN8 app. Upload your own pics, browse their gallery, or let AI whip up something wild, all free with optional premium credits for extra flair. It's cordless, sipping power only when refreshing, so one charge lasts years. Even if the battery croaks, your art stays put, no blank screen panic. Starts at 149 Australian dollars, approximately $100 US on Kickstarter, and it fits IKEA Rudolph frames for instant decor cred. Only hiccup? Refreshing takes 20 seconds. Don't expect instant gratification. Still, it's a stylish, low-maintenance way to keep your space fresh without the hassle of swapping frames. Walls sorted? Let's fire up the grill. The EliteFyre electric grill's your ticket to barbecue bliss without the charcoal mess. Plug it in, and its advanced heating tech cranks up to 650 degrees Fahrenheit in just 18 minutes. Faster than your uncle can argue about grill superiority. Dual probe ports let you monitor 2 cuts of meat at once, while digital temp controls keep things precise with no guesswork. Its 260 square inches surface cooks evenly, no more hotspot disasters, and double insulation locks in heat for juicy results. Portable enough for indoors, terraces, or camping, it's got liftable heat pipes that make cleaning less of a chore. Starts under $200 on Kickstarter, a solid deal for grill geeks. Catch is, it's electric only. Don't expect that smoky campfire vibe. For clean, consistent grilling anywhere, though, it's tough to beat. Grub's ready. Now travel smarter. The FLEXY PRO Backpack's your go-to from daily commutes to weekend getaways. It expands from 17 liters to a roomy 42 liters with a built-in wardrobe system. You can pack your clothes flat, pop it open, and hang it up like a mini closet. No more digging through a crumpled mess. Magnetic fidlock buckles snap shut with satisfying ease, and YKK zippers keep it secure, while 15-plus pockets stash everything from laptops to socks. Water-resistant fabric shrugs off drizzle, and it's carry-on friendly with padded straps that save your shoulders. Starts at $119 on Kickstarter, a bargain for its versatility. Fully loaded, it's a bit bulky, so don't expect to sprint through airports. Still, for organized travel without the chaos, it's a game changer. Trips covered, time to recover like a champ. The Chillshark Cold Plunge turns any tub into your personal ice bath. No more frantic ice runs to the gas station. Its military-grade chiller drops water from 70 degrees Fahrenheit to a brisk 45 degrees Fahrenheit in 2 hours with a UV filter keeping it clean enough to sip. But don't. Weighing 40 pounds with wheels, it's portable, rolling wherever you need it, and plugs into any standard 110-volt outlet. The app lets you dial in temps, set plunge schedules, and track recovery like a pro athlete. Starts at $3,499 on Kickstarter, with early bird deals softening the blow. Yeah, it's a chunk of change. Your wallet might need its own recovery session, but compared to daily ice hauls or pricey plunge tubs, it's a long-term win for muscle relief and bragging rights. Chilled out, now get crafty. The longer Nano Duo laser engraver's an AI-powered dream for makers. It's got dual lasers, a 20-watt diode that tears through wood, and a 2-watt infrared for slicing metal. Hitting speeds of 10,000 millimeters per second across a 300 by 300 millimeter area. AI eyes autofocus and preview your designs, so you're not guessing where the laser lands. And 3D embossing adds pro-level depth to your work. At just £3, it's portable with a 2.8-inch touchscreen for offline engraving. No laptop tether required. Starts at $599 on Kickstarter. A solid price for its punch. Takes some learning, though. Don't toss the manual or you'll be Googling fixes mid-project. For custom gifts or side hustles, it's a creative powerhouse. Crafting set, now power up. The Flash Pro Ultra is the world's first 275-watt power bank with dual OLED screens showing you the juice in real time. Its 25,000 milliamp hour capacity capacity charges 6 devices at once. 140-watt USB-C for your laptop, 15-watt key, 2 wireless for your phone, even a watch pad for your smartwatch. Recharges in 70 minutes flat, and it's TSA-friendly for jetting off. Starts at $169 on Kickstarter, a steal for this much power. Wireless charging's a bit fussy, wiggle it till it sticks, but for keeping your gear alive on the go, it's a beast that'll make your old power bank jealous. Power's flowing, now brush like a boss. The Upplang electric toothbrush is your portable dental wingman. Its 14mm motor pumps out 42,000 RPM, twice the speed of most travel brushes, blasting plaque like a mini pressure washer. Built from eco-friendly aluminum alloy, it's tough enough to survive TSA madness, with a crush-resistant case that doubles as a vibe check. Stick it on a wall with the suction cup or prop it up with the curved stand. And the dual-sided head with a tongue scraper leaves your mouth sparkling. Starts at $79 on Kickstarter. A sweet deal for the power. USB-C charging's great, but no spare cables included, so don't lose that cord. For travel-ready teeth, it's a grin-worthy upgrade. Teeth shining, now print big. The ERYONE Thinker X400 3D printer's a pro-grade monster built for print farms or ambitious makers. Its massive 400 by 400 by 400 millimeter build volume and 500 millimeters per second speed churn out large projects fast with 0.1 to 0.3 millimeter precision for clean details. The core XY design and all-metal frame kill vibrations, while a 25-point auto-leveling bed saves you from leveling nightmares. Handles PLA, ABS, TPU, even carbon fiber composites, versatile enough for anything from prototypes to cosplay gear. An AI camera and management software let you run multiple units remotely, perfect for scaling up. Starts at $1,399 on Kickstarter. A hefty but fair price for this power. Casual hobbyists might balk. Its size and cost screams serious business. For big ideas though, it's a 3D printing titan. Prints rolling now movie night anywhere. The Aurzen ZIP Tri-Fold Projectors, the world's first tri-fold pocket projector, folds down to 3.3 inches tall, unfolding to beam 720 PDLP visuals with 100 ANSI lumens. Its 1.5-hour battery's good for a quick flick, and Wi-Fi free AirLink mirroring streams from your phone. No cords needed. 2OF autofocus keeps it sharp, and a dual hinge gimbal adjusts 180 degrees from floor to ceiling. It's your call. Built-in 1-watt speakers handle quiet nights or pair via Bluetooth 5.4 for bigger sound. Starts at $249 on Kickstarter. A solid grab for portable cinephiles. It's 720p, not 4K, don't expect blockbuster crispness, but for spontaneous screenings, it's a compact gem. Hit Kickstarter for all 10. Links below. Smash that like, subscribe, and comment on your fave. Catch you next time.